Enterprise networks are complex these days, especially when they connect users at multiple locations. Things can get pretty chaotic when something goes wrong. And when something goes wrong on such a complex network, it's not always clear what the problem is or who it affects. For detection and troubleshooting, you're stuck relying on less than accurate information directly from the users. This isn't exactly straightforward and can be frustrating and time-consuming. And the more users and network locations you have, the more complicated the process gets. But there is a solution. NetBeez provides a way to keep track of what's going on all your network locations with a monitoring system that views the network from the user's perspective. NetBeez smart monitoring agents simulate real users and continuously update you with data about the network's health and performance. NetBeez agents are small plug-and-play devices that connect to the network like regular workstations. The browser-based NetBeez dashboard puts all the agent data in one place and speeds up outage detection and diagnostics by organizing and visualizing that data. There's no more deciphering all those things that users tell you because the agents say it like it is, no matter what. With NetBeez, take back your sanity, reduce the time spent troubleshooting your network and user issues, and spend more time making it better and faster and dealing with what's important. Check out NetBeez at netbeez.net and request a trial today.